keep bringing home cars, guys, and we live in the suburbs, so we're like turning those suburbs into white trash.
That's what we do best.
We're gonna go deliver 30 bales. As long as the little nipple in there isn't broken. Farm fresh eggs.
$4.50 for the box. This has been on him the whole journey somehow, apparently.
Well, thanks to our buddy here that we just delivered some hay.
What? That's...
God. Whoa, a moldy medieval.
Just fixing up our tail lamp. Fixing it up. Fixing it up.
Fixing it up, guys. We just gotta get ready for this big haul today, guys.
Oh, it's wet. It's not really gonna do much. I think it's just gonna fall out, guys.
Probably.
Alright, motherfuckers, when your tail light doesn't want to work and your screws break, you just put a big one in there. Well,
I heard a crack. Okay.
there she is.
I think we're good now. Oh, man. Alright, Grand Rising, motherfuckers.
Grand Rising. Here we go today.
Back at it with another video.
We got a big secret surprise in this video for you guys today. I hope you guys get your hopes up and get excited.
Yeah, guys, well, recently we went to Saurita. Well, kind of recently. It's almost been 2 months now. And we took a look at something that we're potentially interested in getting. And it turns out we're going to be getting it today, guys.
Today is the day, guys.
This is a big operation. So
Huge.
we're going to go deliver 30 bales.
Oh, look, the blinker works now, too.
Oh, that's good. That screw worked, guys. But yeah, we're going to go take the customer 30 bales, and then we're going to take something from them.
Yep, it's exciting, guys.
Well, we'll
Cannot
see you.
wait.
We'll see you there. But first off, we got to get the trailer.
And go do one stop.
Go do a stop, farm stuff. Then we do our final mission of the day, guys.
Oh, we'll just load it all in one go.
Yep.
Yep.
We'll be on our way.
Yep, it's exciting, guys.
Guys, I just found out that Nesquik doesn't know how to make a proper water bottle.
They do not, guys. I'm just reporting what I'm learning from.
Guys, the sky is half clear, half overcasted. All right, we're overcasted. We're gonna get the trailer loaded onto the truck. Whoa. Oh, just a little. All right, you're straight on. All right. Wow, that was perfect, guys. Man, guys, it just rained freshly last night. Oh, we're a little off, bud. No! Guys, watch this major explosion right now. Oh, hold on. Now we're good. Holy. That could have been dangerous, guys.
What happened?
They were pushing the whole trailer off the block almost. We're gonna drop it, the ball hits right on my toe.
Don't drop the ball, hits right on your toe, guys. That would hurt, guys. I would not recommend it, guys. That'll be pretty a bad day. Oh, there's something over there. They have a teepee? They have a canopy. Oh, maybe it's the farrier. I think the farrier's here, guys. They have a teepee trailer tent set up. That is awesome, guys. Let's throw the block. Wood block. I'll do the plug.
Is there wheel chocks on the wheel chock?
Nope, I got him. Alright. Let's go to that map and get some air in the bags. Oh. That's weird, guys. He's filling up his airbags with water. I've never heard of that technique. Never heard of that one. Oh, look at this. So, it's actually not today, guys. So,
Oh, we actually got air.
Pressure.
As long as the little nipple in there isn't broken. Ew. Ew.
It's not broken. open the eyes. Let's see how this goes on the airbag.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
I wish they could really get a sight of how much this is lifting up. Guys, it really jacks up the rig right there, I tell you what.
I tell you,
really jacking up the rig.
without breaking.
Alright guys, we're gonna use the restroom and get some Maverick provisions, and then we'll be back at the truck. Guys, I almost ate a Bavarian Queenfield donut.
Bavarian Queenfield donut. But instead, I got a sweet roll.
I went with the Pop-Tart version today. Beef steak and a yerba.
Yerba latte.
Got some events we gotta do today. I gotta make sure I'm extra proteined up, so that way I'm steady on the controls.
Yeah, you can't not have a protein up.
I gotta be steady on the controls, guys. That's a little sneak peek of what we're gonna be doing later.
Steady on the controls.
If I'm not steady on the controls, we're gonna have a very bad day.
A catastrophic day.
Yeah, so we'll make sure that doesn't happen, guys, and we'll see you there. Guys, so I just made a purchase at the farm from Casey.
It's a really good purchase, guys. Actually, a great deal.
Guys, $4 for a dozen farm fresh eggs.
$4.50 for the box, but $4 you get your 50 cents back if you return the carton.
I went ahead and gave them $5 because
that's a great deal on
it's a great
farm
deal
fresh
for
eggs.
Casey's farm fresh eggs. So yeah, if you guys are in the Marana way, send us a message and we'll get you some eggs.
Eggy time, eggy time.
Yep, stay tuned for more, guys. We're about to get loaded up with Squeezington. I'm gonna go ahead and stow my eggs right there, guys. Gotta stow them away. Okay, guys.
All right. I know it's just on a mission today to fucking like.
Oh, you're trying to put tarps on something.
That wasn't even him.
No, that second truck, yeah, it was.
Oh, did he have tarps too?
Yeah.
Oh, they're really tarping that.
Tarping
They're
it
double
up.
trucking.
Oh yeah, guys. Oh yeah. Oh, there it is, guys.
Orderly place.
Orderly place, boo. All right then. Que to all my amigos. Que yes, I know Spanish, guys.
Yep, me too.
Mucho vato, wey. Más trabajo aquí. Ha 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 ha. Ja.
Yep, exactly.
Mucho trabajo. Mucho trabajo. Oh.
my oil pressure.
Oh,
Through an oil pressure cup.
Yeah.
So they're fixing the oil pressure, and then I'm having them do a stage 3 tune on it. And then while they're doing their tune, I'm gonna have them put on some blow-off valves with new silicone tubing.
Oh, nice.
And then I'm gonna. This is all Evo Power Sports stuff that they're putting on it. Evo's top of the line.
Yeah.
And then I'm having a Evo exhaust put on it too.
Sound
Dude, it's gonna sound nasty. Dude, it's gonna sound nasty.
That's gonna be sick. I'm excited to hear it.
It'll go from 199 horse to 230.
Oh, you feel like a lot on that.
That's insane.
And then they have a deal too for $400 to put a 2-step in it.
God. That'd be insane.
I'm not gonna do that though,
Yeah.
because that's just wear the motor out quick.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, have a good day, Casey. We gotta try and make it Pavillions by 9.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're probably not making it on time. I think it's funny that I always just. Oh, this one's not hooked?
No. Oh, no. You're getting ahead of me, Kurt. Oh, no. Is it on there?
Yep.
Wow.
There it is, guys. Oh, look, the tail light's folding up. Look at that. So sturdy now. It's sturdier than before.
Like a brand new man.
All it needed was just a self tapper.
No, all I need to do is put it in. A little more. That's it right there, guys.
It's all dialed now.
Yeah, we're dialed.
It's all dialed. Is this a time lapse?
No, it's a video.
All right, guys, we are all dialed. Take a look at that load. Perfect on there. This is awesome, guys.
Yep, very good. We'll be on our way to Catalina and then to our mystery surprise adventure
Here we
stop.
go. We gotta go to Catalina real quick, guys, and then we'll go on our way to our surprise adventure.
Guys, it's a beautiful day out today.
Beautiful day on the mountain. Jolly green pastures everywhere you look. Costa Rica, here we are.
All right, guys, we learned another valuable lesson now. I think today is the last day that we won't check the bottoms of the hay.
Yeah, I mean, I've been seeing that for the
years.
last 4 years, and I still don't check the bottoms, but
It's
Here
time
we are.
now. It's time to start checking the bottoms.
I
That
think
truck is
so,
sick.
guys. It's a first gen.
Yeah, he's dialed. He's got the flatbed.
Good.
But yeah, guys, we're definitely going to be checking the bottoms because the customer, we just had to short a couple bales because it was the issue.
Yeah, luckily I always get extra hay, but we had
Still.
28 bales out of 20. And
Yeah, I'm not loving that, guys, but we're going to be all right.
not good, not good. She only got 16 out of her 20, and we'll see if we get scavenge 5 that don't have bad bottoms.
All right, guys, but now we're going to be on our way to secret surprise.
Big secret surprise, guys. I'm so
All
excited.
right, guys, I'm loving it. Here we go. All right, guys, we arrived at our stop, and we're here to unload this hay
We are here
and
to
get a
unload
special surprise.
the hay and get a very exciting surprise, guys. I'm so excited.
trying to trolley without my jacket on.
I'm gonna start bucking here.
I know.
I'm gonna be going. Sore. Look at these
We
guys.
got another little guy. No, 2 little guys. I like the tan one. He's gonna rip your pinky off.
Sandpaper, sandpaper. Oh, you got a good coat on you.
What?
Usually just 30 fits a year.
Yeah. 5 off the facility. That's it. There's definitely 5 that are good enough.
Yeah.
Do you want to buck them down to me or do you want to stack?
I'll bunk them.
Okay.
I'll bunk them.
Oh, there's some sun.
There it is. One more now. I'll just set it to the side.
Okay. No, he's just chilling in there. It's not a rattlesnake though. It's just a little bit of snake. He was in there. I think he was in the first, underneath the first one.
I don't think I smushed him even under the pallet.
Yeah, I think he's just hanging out in there.
Yeah, there was one at our stop yesterday or the day before.
Oh, it's Saturday.
Yeah, there was a rattlesnake in there and they didn't tell us. He was like,
Yeah,
I
I'm
think there's a
digging under the
rattlesnake.
pallets because they had an open bale and I was going to tie it up and move it out of the way.
Yeah.
I'm sitting there digging under the pallets and the guy's staring at me.
I meant to tell you before you started getting in there,
Well, I
but
would have noticed if it was a rattlesnake
Yeah.
or something else.
if it was a rattlesnake, I would have been all tight. It would have been dead already. But
Yeah,
I just
exactly.
left it because it's just.
Yeah, he's
Yeah,
gonna
he'll
eat the
eat
mice and
mice.
eat the other rattlesnakes.
Yeah.
And then the guy's like, oh, I just saw a rattlesnake. I'm like, right now? And he's like, yeah, it's a
freaked me
couple
out.
minutes ago. I was like, what?
I could sense it too. The whole time I was in there, you could kind of feel like somebody's watching you.
Yeah.
I was like, what? I'm digging under the pallets right there, right where
Yeah.
you saw it. And he's like, oh, yeah, I just saw it right there. Thanks for the heads up.
I'm good.
Well, thanks to our buddy here that we just delivered some hay to, we scored ourselves a brand new to us Ford Ranger 2007. It's gonna be a good project for the YouTube channel, so stay tuned to see what we do with it.
Axles on this one.
Now let's see how you want to do it. You're the one hauling it, so the DOT gets us. You have to have some explaining to do. Oh, I bumper.
Shut it in the door.
Yeah.
That's one way to do it. Alright, hold it onto the strap.
You gotta open it from the inside.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I was gonna roll the window up and knock this out.
Guys, check it out, our load today, guys. I'm loving it, guys. This thing is looking as pristine as possible. Just a little rust damage, nothing major. It was a steal of a deal, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, any person in their right mind would definitely have got this truck because it's a good deal. Well, guys, yeah, we definitely forgot to film the loading of that Ranger because
It was a little stressful. The ramp
It's
started
just-
bowing in and
Yeah, well-
I got scared.
well, you got people that you don't know, like monitoring what you're doing and stuff. Like,
I gotta
you just
pay.
want to do a good job.
Guys, Bucket was just acquiring some items, and this has been on him the whole journey somehow, apparently.
I can't feel it because I got my boots on. So
Man, that's crazy. I can't even believe that's on there.
let's get a removal.
Oh, removal
We
service.
tuck this away so that way nobody runs it over.
Oh,
Maybe
it's
it'll
on there.
grow right there.
Yeah, pack this at
It'll
the
grow in the
QT.
concrete, guys.
We're filling her up because we're not out of fluid.
And
All right,
the load on the trailer. We're dialed.
we'll see you guys there.
And we just keep bringing home cars, guys, and we live in the suburbs, so we're like turning those suburbs into white trash.
That's what we do best.
That's just the way it is, guys. I can't really help it, you know, it just happens. I don't know what was it, but it is.
Yeah, we got a disease, guys.
Yeah, we have the truck disease. Gotta have lots of trucky wuckies, otherwise we're sad.
All right, motherfuckers, we're unstrapping the Ford Ranger as we speak.
Hub in the back here, he said there's a bunch of stuff in there we get to look through. He gave me the key for it. There's a
Start right up. Fingers crossed. Oh, starts right up.
what are you looking at?
It's not got a like aftermarket exhaust. It's got a rust hole exhaust. Off the brake a little. Let's get more weight over here. Might be good. Keep going. Should lift up a little bit more. Keep going. Keep going. Yeah. Go slow right here. Oh, you're clearing it. You're clearing it. Alright.
It's fine. Keep going.
What's this?
What? That's. Okay, go slow right here. Oh, you're clearing it. You're clearing it. Alright.
I'm
You're
not
good.
rolling anymore.
Be careful in case the trailer tries to move. Oh, they should hold it down. Go slow. There it is. Nice. Woo! Back her in. Back her in. That was awesome, guys. I am loving it.
Man, that got my stress levels up there, guys. My legs were shaking. I was like, got some farm fresh eggs right from Casey's backyard, some beers, and a new truck. We're good.
Secret surprise in the big secret surprise.
The customer, it was our customer that sold us this, and he said that this thing is bolted to the frame like a makeshift lockbox. I will be removing it, but he said that he left everything in there, and he said to go through it and see what's in there. So, well, we're looking at a lot of tools. So we got some tools there.
What is that?
What is that? Whoa! Whoa! A moldy medieval sword, guys.
Pop the sheath
I
off.
got the mildew right on my hands.
Pop the sheath off.
This is the it's just this.
No, there's.
I got the mold on my hands, guys. It doesn't pull, guys. Well, this has definitely got some water leakage in there, but we did score some tools. Yeah, I don't think I should be breathing that in, guys. But it's there. There's a first aid kit sealed in the package. Brand new first aid, and a bunch of tools for fixing this when it breaks down. Nice stainless steel Westcott ruler. Let's see, check out the glove box. Came with the original 2007 owner's manual. What a score. Never been used. All maintenance records in here. This was fresh off the lot by the guy who bought this. And some paper maps for if I get lost, guys, along the way. Minnesota. That would explain the rust. And Minneapolis, St. Paul. Wow, guys. And then what's this one? Do the zipper merge. Do the zipper merge, guys. And then let's take a look at the center console here and see what else. I'll put this back in there too. Well, here's the new door handle because the one on that side's broken, but this is the wrong one. Oh, this is for the outside. So we'll probably be installing this soon. And we have ourselves a lot of masks, which we'll be needing those for grinding the rust off of this. What else we got? More masks, straws, insurance cards. Guys, this was a truck that belonged to somebody who is no longer with us. He passed on to another realm. Let's take a look at the motor. It's the 2.3 liter inline 4-cylinder. This thing is pretty much pristine. The only issues that we're really seeing is going to be the rust, guys. The rust is definitely the main problem. But other than that, this thing idles smooth, runs good, has an exhaust leak. I don't know, has some stuff, but not anything major. And I'm going to go ahead and refurbish the whole stock motor and make it super reliable. I'm going to put new suspension on it, wheels, tires, window tint, make it into a great daily driver, guys. It's going to be a good rig. I'm going to sell my car and commit fully to the Ranger lifestyle. I'm loving it, guys. But yeah, stay tuned for the upgrades, guys. We're going to be doing a multi-part series of us working on this truck, and we're also going to do a multi-part series working on Carson's truck over there. So stay tuned for that, guys. I'm really loving it.
All right, motherfuckers. Here we are. We just pulled the Ranger into the driveway.
Yep, it was quite the adventurous mission. I got my adrenaline up. I got a little shaky taking it off there because I was trying really hard to not rip the transmission or the fuel tank off of the bottom of this truck, because then I would have been real sad having to instantly do some severe work on it.
Yeah, we're big car haulers, obviously. We know
this
what
is
we're
our
doing.
fourth truck now that we've hauled on the trailer, so we're getting dialed, guys. But stay tuned for more videos of this truck and more fun adventures bucking hay in the future. And if you like this video, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you want to see in the future. And
check out motherbuckers47.com to be a motherbucker like us. Get yourself a t-shirt.
Every t-shirt sold, all the money is going to go right back into these trucks, guys. So
all right. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.